So you are trying different prompts with ChatGPT to edit your photos in a cool way, but the problem is ChatGPT changes your face. I can feel your pain, so let's solve this issue just in 2 steps. The very first step is you have to tap on this image and download it by tapping on this little download button available next to the dislike button on this photo. So this was the first step. So when you are done with it and after downloading it, you have to open Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, you have to go to Google and search here free face swap online and hit the search button, and different websites will appear up. You can open any website from here. For example, I'm going with the very first website appearing here in this list. And when you are redirected to the website, most of the websites will ask you to create an account. So after creating an account, you will be redirected to an interface, some are similar to this one. It will ask for the face that you want to apply on the photo and the targeted face, means the photo on which you want to apply the face. So let's first upload your own photo with a clear image of your face. For example, this is the first photo that we want to apply to the downloaded photo from ChatGPT. And after that, let's upload the target image, and this is the image that we have downloaded from ChatGPT that it had changed the face. And after that, tap on Run Face Swap and just wait for 5 to 10 seconds. And here it is. When it will be done with face swapping, your face will be applied to the photo that you had downloaded from ChatGPT. After that, tap on it and tap on save and save it into your files. Now when you'll open your downloads or your gallery, you'll have your face on the photo. Now for getting the perfect results, the photo of your face must be 110% clear. The more your face is clear in your provided photo, the better will be the results. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.